Get acquainted with the 2016 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, four-wheel drive, wood grain interior trim, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.